What are the odds of dying in a car crash in Miami, Florida? Car accidents are an unfortunate reality of modern life, and Miami, Florida is no exception. The city has a high population density, heavy traffic, and a mix of urban and suburban neighborhoods, making for a complex and dynamic driving environment. This article provides an overview of car crashes in Miami, looking at general statistics, the most common causes, and high-risk areas and intersections. General statistics on car crashes in Miami. Miami is a city with an estimated population of 440,000 people and is part of the larger Miami-Dade County of Florida. The city is known for its congested roads and heavy traffic, which often contributes to car accidents. According to the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, FDHSMV, there were over 51,000 car accidents in Miami-Dade County in 2020 alone. Out of these crashes, there were more than 24,000 injuries and 314 fatalities. Most common causes of car crashes in Miami. There are several factors contributing to the high number of car crashes in Miami. Some of the most common causes include distracted driving, aggressive driving, impaired driving, weather conditions, infrastructure and road conditions, high-risk areas and intersections in Miami. Certain areas and intersections in Miami have higher rates of car accidents compared to the rest of the city. Some of these high-risk locations include I-95, the Dolphin Expressway, State Route 836, the Palmetto Expressway, State Route 826, US 1, South Dixie Highway. Intersections. Factors influencing the odds of dying in a car crash. Understanding the factors that influence the odds of dying in such incidents is crucial to be mindful of and avoid increasing the chances of a car crash happening. Some key factors that contribute to the likelihood of fatalities in car crashes in Miami can involve driver behavior, vehicle characteristics, road infrastructure, and local demographics. Driver-related factors. Vehicle-related factors. Environmental factors. Data on fatal car crashes in Miami, Florida. In this article, we will explore different aspects of fatal car crashes in Miami, Florida. This includes comparisons with state and national crash statistics, a breakdown of demographic factors involved in these accidents, and an analysis of past, current, and future trends. Fatal car crash rates in Miami compared to Florida and the U.S. With a population of over 2.7 million residents, Miami-Dade County has one of the highest populations in the state. As a hub of economic activity, it also sees a high volume of daily vehicle usage. Consequently, this contributes to a higher number of fatal car crashes within the county. Demographics of car crash fatalities in Miami. Although fatalities in car crashes affect people across all age groups, some segments of the population tend to be more prone to such accidents. In Miami-Dade County, the following demographic factors have been identified in connection to fatal car crash rates. Age. Gender. Ethnicity. Trends in fatal car crashes. Past, present, and future projections. Over the past decades, efforts to improve traffic safety and reduce fatal car crashes have led to a decline in nationwide crash rates. However, in Miami-Dade County, the decline in fatal car crashes has not been as significant as in other parts of the state or country. This trend can be attributed to various factors, such as an increase in population and vehicle usage, as well as rapid urban development. Filing a wrongful death claim after a car accident in Miami, Florida. In the state of Florida, wrongful death is defined as the legal responsibility of one person for the death of another. This can occur in situations where negligence is involved, such as in the case of a car accident. Miami wrongful death lawsuits. Who is eligible to file? In Miami, Florida, the process for filing a wrongful death lawsuit differs from other states. While some states permit relatives of the deceased to initiate a wrongful death claim, Florida law mandates that the personal representative, or executor, of the deceased person's estate, must file the lawsuit. By doing so, the personal representative acts on behalf of both the estate and any surviving family members. When initiating legal action, the personal representative must provide a comprehensive list of all potential beneficiaries. Possible damages in a wrongful death case in Florida. In a Florida wrongful death case, successful litigation may result in the defendant being ordered by the court to pay damages, which are intended to compensate for the losses claimed by the plaintiff. According to Florida law, there are two types of damages that may be awarded in a wrongful death case: family damages and estate damages. Financial compensation awarded to the family can include payment for the loss of support and services that the deceased person provided to family members, the loss of the protection and company that the deceased person offered, pain and suffering experienced by family members due to grief, the loss of parental companionship, instruction, and guidance, the costs of medical and burial arrangements if covered by a surviving family member. Additionally, the estate of the deceased person may recover several types of damages, such as lost wages, benefits, and other earnings from the date of the person's injury to the date of death, the amount of wages and benefits that the dead individual would have been able to save and leave as part of their inheritance if they had lived, the medical and funeral costs that were paid by the estate directly. In general, the compensation granted in a Florida wrongful death lawsuit aims to cover the financial losses endured by the deceased's estate and family. Preventative measures to reduce the risk of a fatal car crash. Car crashes are one of the leading causes of death in many countries across the world. In order to reduce fatalities, it is essential to take preventative measures to minimize the risk factors associated with car crashes. Driver education and training programs. Effective law enforcement and traffic policies. Initiatives to reduce drunk and distracted driving. Infrastructure improvements and traffic management strategies. Advancements in vehicle safety features and technology. If you need legal support for your injury claim, contact Charlip Law Group today at 305-354-9313 to schedule a free consultation with a Miami personal injury lawyer regarding your Miami car accident.